It would help. I thought I should smudge it a bit more.
Why is my screen gone blurry? Not just the two intrepid white hunters standing there watching the work being done. Check it out, hurling insults there. There's
guys, don't work too hard, eh?
check it. Luke Skywalker there. He's like in there.
Says we sitting in the comfort of the bed, hurling abuse at them. There we are.
I like this job. You actually move forward now. He's going to go and instruct.
Look.
Oh, what? Oh, that's commitment, you.
Well done, you. Good effort.
Oh, you's getting involved. Oh, it's not going to work. Oh, it's going to come back and hit him in the face.
Get a proper bit slap from the tree. Let's see if the camera works now. It does. Isn't that beautiful?